The topic of today's video is how to claim your Spotify artist profile with United Masters. Now, on the United Masters side, of course, all you need to do is release a song or an album. It's your first release, let's just say, and now you've released your song. It's gone out to all digital platforms. Usually you have to wait till the song is actually out, then the profile is visible, right? If you have set a longer release time, your profile may be visible before your song is actually released. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to Spotify for Artists login or claiming in the description of this video. So just click on that. It's a quick access way in. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring you to this section right here. And it's going to ask you, do you want to get access as an artist or manager or label team member? Most of the time, you're going to pick artist or manager. On the next screen, it's going to ask you for your artist name. Now, if your name is something unique like Spade Man, I don't know why I chose that, but you can just type that in. It'll highly likely pop up. If your name is not Spade Man, what you want to do is go over to Spotify. On the main screen, you're going to type in your artist name. When you see your artist name, you're going to just obviously click on that. And then on the right-hand side of the follow button, you want to click on those three dots. Then you're going to click on share. You're going to click on copy link to artist. Then from there, you can jump out of Spotify and back to Spotify for artists. Drop in your artist name. It'll ask you, is this the profile you're looking for? You'll say yes if it is correct, which it should be. And then from there, they're going to ask you some verification questions. Just fill out all the questions. Easy stuff, name, email address, things like that. I think a phone number as well. And once that's done, all you need to wait for is verification from Spotify and both your distributor as well. And then you'll have access to Spotify for artists, and you'll be able to edit your artist profile, add canvases, images, your background banners, and so forth. You'll get analytics as well. That's all there is to it, guys. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep releasing music. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.